very good afternoon to you all. Welcome on board the Mercia, and that's the name of the boat you're travelling on today. Folks, as we're leaving Westminster Pier, by law, we have to give you a small safety announcement about the boat you're travelling on. And also in the cupboards at the back of the boat by the toilets. Emergency exits are the windows and the doors. They slide to open. And in the highly unlikely event of an emergency today, just wait for further instruction from a crew member. I'll give you all one piece of advice, and that is to always wave to the people above you on the bridges. Okay? Give them a wave, hopefully they'll wave back. I'll tell you why in a moment. Okay folks, so we have been waved away from Festival. And over here to the right, as we do cross the river to get on the right side of the road, this is the south bank on the river to the right. And the south bank has become very popular amongst Londoners today. It's a very nice riverside walk. It starts at the London Eye. It goes 2 miles down the river to the left to Tower Bridge, where we'll be stopping in about 20 minutes. Mariners to be a floating livery hall in London. To be a part of that club, you must have captained a ship at sea for over 25 years. King Charles, Princess Anne, they are both members of that livery hall. This is a lovely part of the South Bank here to the right that we'd like to mention. This part of the South Bank we call Gabriel's Wharf. Okay, the tide's rising in London at the moment. There's some very nice bars and restaurants on top of the river there. It's almost like Covent Garden. And we also have one of London's best kept secrets coming up here on the right. Lovely, golden, sandy beaches right in the heart of central London. Can you all see that lovely tropical paradise there on the right? And the 4 statues carved into the building, 4 of this country's most famous scholars. From left to right, John Milton, Francis Bacon, William Shakespeare, and I've forgotten the last one. David Beckham. See him with the Gucci jacket and the football. It could be Isaac Newton. Both legends. Yesterday, somebody chose to throw a strawberry milkshake down onto the so make sure you keep waiting. These are the Blackfriars Bridges. This is Blackfriars Road Bridge, and that one in front is Blackfriars Railway Bridge. And we're about halfway in the journey now, ladies and gentlemen, down to the Tower Bridge. If you look right down, all that wants to go to sleep. If you are a fan of modern art, it's a lovely place to go. If you are perhaps someone like me who doesn't understand modern art, I can recommend a lovely pub back there called the Founder's Arms on the right for a much better day. Look quickly on the left, and the red brick building is the new and the current City of London School for Boys. Daniel Radcliffe went to this school for education. Shakespeare put 17 of his first nights on at the Globe. Tickets start as little as £10 in the summer months, and you can go and watch an old Shakespearean play being performed. Plays like Romeo and Juliet saw active service throughout the Second World War, where she served with distinction. The Belfast bombed the beaches of Normandy over 80 years ago on the D-Day landing. Ahead of the boat is the Tower Road Bridge. Tower Bridge is known as the gateway to the City of London. It was opened up on June the 30th, 1899. There's a very nice photo opportunity coming up, folks. See the 2 buses making their way across the bridge from the right. If you time those 2 red double-decker buses in the middle of the bridge, you get a lovely photograph, a nice souvenir of your day out here.